Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This is my Boxycharm subscription for the month of May. Keep on watching to hear my, my thoughts on my May box. See the products I got that got me this pretty okay look, and my thoughts on the month of May. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. But without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, I'm coming to you with wet hair, completely bare face to go over the first product in the box. It is called the Alliyah Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. It says their dynamic resurfacing facial pads are powered by Alliyah's potential tri-enzyme technology combined with a mild lactic acid and probiotic ferment complex to gently yet effectively smooth the skin, revealing a visibly luminous complexion. It is $59. So they smell amazing. They're just these little pads in here. It says 62.1 inch pad. So there's 60 in here, so 60 uses, which not bad. They smell amazing, like rich luxe skincare. They smell so good. They have like this kind of ribbed side, and I think that's the side that goes down. So I'm just gonna rub this all over my face. Just got out of the shower, so I'm freshly washed my face, exfoliated. So I'm just gonna get this on there, let it dry, and we'll be back to try the next thing. All right, I am back with my full face of foundation because we have a Trustique Conceal, Cover, and Correct crayon. It looks like this. We got a lip stick in this before. Let's read about it. Let's see. It says, finally, you can have extra smooth, easy glide application with full flexible coverage and lightweight feel. The ultra creamy, long-lasting formula takes coverage and correction to a new level. That could be good. And it is $24. I'm gonna be honest, there's nothing coming off. Maybe there is. Let me blend this in. I don't typically like it in crayon form, like my concealer. It tends to be thick, and oh man, is this thick. I can feel it. Like Crease City is gonna happen under here. Maybe there's a little bit of coverage. Okay, there is. I can tell the difference between this eye and this eye. A little. Not too much. But I can also feel the difference. It is sticky and thick. Let me just... So you can't tell. I'm so pale. I'm sorry. The lighting still not ideal. Still working on it. I can already tell. I don't think this is going to be for me. Maybe under my eyebrows when I do them, when they're plucked, threaded, and done. To conceal under there, but I'm going to be honest. I don't really see much of a difference. I still have very purple under eyes in the mirror, and I feel it. I can feel it on my eyes, on my eyelids. This is not for me. Next. All right, so I have the rest of my full face on. We're gonna move on to the next product in the box. We finally got another eyeshadow palette. It is the Studio Makeup Ease to Wear eyeshadow palette, and it is really, really pretty. Very simple. It says ease to wear, so I'm assuming it's very geared toward every day. It reminds me a lot of the Naked Reloaded. I'll put it on the screen. It looks a lot like that. I'm eager to see. I have not swatched it. I have not done anything to it. I'm eager to see what it looks like on. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to do some eyeshadow for you guys. Lots of fallout from this, from just a couple dips. Just putting this lace color down everywhere. Next, I'm going to go into Dusk, this pink. Some pigment on there, not too much. So it's not super pigmented. There's a little bit of fallout, but I do think that for a light wash of color, it is actually really, really pretty for that. Is it the most pigmented thing in the world? No. Have we definitely gotten better eyeshadow palettes in Boxycharm? Yes. So you can't deny that it's there. I think it actually looks really, really pretty. Next, I'm going to take the shade Fate, this darker brown, and I'm going to put that in my outer corner very, very lightly. So the brown is way more pigmented than the pink. Yeah. So there's a pink, like, that's a bunch to get that. This is 1, 2, 3. So be careful with the brown. It can get real dark real fast. Finally, I'm just gonna finish up. Let's check out some of these shimmers. We got Gilded, which is this brown. And then we have Phylaxin, which we're gonna go in with that one. It's a little chunky. I don't know if you just saw how chunky that was on my finger. Gonna use my finger. So this is definitely very neutral, very, very beginner friendly. I'm not disappointed at it being beginner friendly because you can still get great looks, but there's something special about getting those palettes that I wouldn't buy in Boxycharm. Crazy colors, or I don't know, something exciting. Not that this isn't exciting. I get excited about stuff like this because these are the colors I wear. I can wear this every day if I wanted to work, to wherever. But you know, it just a little lackluster. One of the issues I have with it is it's all light, fresh, exciting colors, but there's no real super, super light shimmer shade that would be good all over the lid. I think that that's lacking because you have such light and fresh, springy colors. But then you have to pair them with a deeper shimmer and it just, I don't know, it doesn't really make sense to me. And before I move on to mascara, this is, it says it displays versatile color scheme complementing all skin tones for the creation of countless natural and glam looks. All day, all night, creamy, smooth eyeshadow texture, glides on, blends with ease, providing true color and coverage in a single stroke. Now, the shimmers I thought were actually pretty nice on my lids. They're not very blinding. They don't really pop. They're kind of just there. There's nothing super exciting about the shimmers at all. Very everyday friendly. Nothing to, wow, I have 8 pounds of glitter on my eyes. So definitely work environment friendly. The mattes that I used were okay. The deep chocolate color, I have no complaints, went down, blended nice. The pink took a little bit of work and it's still not really showing up. So I don't know. We'll have to try this out. Oh, my packaging is already breaking. Okay. They charge $35 for this. Yikes. So adding some mascara really brought the whole look together. Definitely a little more pleased with it now. Super pretty, super wearable. The next thing I have is this Appeal Cosmetic Liquid Lipsticks Ultra Cream in the shade Fancy. This is what it looks like. Give you a little swatch. Okay. The stopper. I try Boxycharm. Shouldn't have to do this, but let me see if I can get a lip brush. This is ridiculous. I shouldn't pay for this. And I didn't even tell you. I was gonna wait until the end of the video with my Boxycharm points. I got a lot because I review everything. You get Boxycharms that way to spend on their website. It's like free money. Why wouldn't I do that? So I do that every time. And I finally found something on there that I really liked. It's really pretty, actually. But I spent 27 Boxycharm points for $27 to get this Ciate Marbled blush. I thought it was beautiful. I was so excited. They're like, okay, it's included with your order, it'll be in your box. Not in the box at all. I emailed customer service. They said, did you check your mailbox? Checked the mailbox. Nothing there. So I'm not sure what they're going to do. They haven't responded yet. I was going to let that go, but I'm actually really upset about this lipstick. It's a beautiful color. How to put it on with a brush. Not something I'm used to. I'm not even going to address that any further. I'm not even talking about the lipstick because I'm going to act like it didn't come because it's broken, and I shouldn't have to deal with broken products and messed up products consistently on something I'm paying money for. Boxycharm. Last product is actually a really cool one. It is a Tarte Micellar Magic. Looks like this. You got a lot in there. It's got one of those cool, like, ooh. Well, I'm gonna actually clean my brush off with this that I had to use on my lips. I can't really test this out for you guys, so for that I'm sorry, but it's a micellar water and it is $18, less expensive than I thought. Typically Tarte products I think are kind of expensive. And only being $18, and you get a lot in here. It's a kind of big bottle. It has, let's see, these are 6.4 fluid ounces, so it's not a little bit, you know, that's a significant amount. And it got all the lipstick off this brush. So all in all, I was very happy with my Boxycharm. Despite the missing product, I was still very excited to review it and get it. I opened it up, peeked around in it, saw the products, and was really excited for them. This ruined it for me only because I've had consistently poor Boxycharms the last 3-ish months in a row. And I've complained about it. You can watch the other videos. I'll link them in the description box, where I was saying I was going to give Boxycharm 3 more chances. It failed the next month, and then this month, this and a missing product. I don't want to keep spending my money and paying for a poor program, a poor product, because I'm spending my money on this. This is not sent to me. I am paying for this, and I'm getting consistently poor products, and I'm actually really upset about it. This color is so pretty for summer, and I'm gonna use it because the brush worked fine, but I shouldn't have to do that when I paid for this. I paid for this product and I didn't get it in full. I got it broken. That's all for this month's Boxycharm. This is the May box. I am again leaving another video with low energy because I'm just so upset about it. I'm actually really mad about it. I got trash everywhere. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to have you guys back here. Leave me a comment down below. Should I continue my Boxycharm subscription or should I get rid of it? I mean, they've had their chances with me, and I love doing these. There's like a little exciting fun, you know, I get like an exciting gift once a month, but if the products aren't gonna work when I get it, is it worth it? I don't know. Leave me your comments down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.